Are you planning to build a modern looking puja room without breaking your bank? Then this video is for you. I'll explain all the steps, cover material and cost involved to finish this project. So let's get started. Welcome to our channel Citrus Home and Garden. So this picture was taken before we moved in. The puja room is supposed to face east or west but not south. So we decided to set up our puja room in this study area. We wanted to go with an accent wall color which can match the puja room theme. So we went with Sherwin Williams Emerald Matte Finish paint. And the color code is Marigold SW6664. And you can see this looks so pure, calm and spiritual. So before we started some serious work, this was the fun part happened during the project to lighten up the mood. And here you can see the final result. The matte finish is looking really good. We didn't want the glossy wall, so this worked out really well. In the next step, we are going to build the structure. In the description of this video, I have given all the product links which I use for this project. So let's start with the core structure. All these parts I bought from IKEA. You can see here the product name, product code, quantity and the cost of each product. So overall cost after the taxes would be around $300. So let's start with the foundation first. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Let's call it Brimnes. This product comes with 2 packages. And the packaging is little heavy, so I would recommend to have another person helping you. Now, not only the lifting part, but even the assembly is little tricky, so make sure you get some extra help and the manual. So here is the time lapse which shows the assembly of this product. So the overall process to assemble this foundation would take a couple of hours. And here is the final assembly. So the overall quality of this product is pretty decent. The wood doesn't feel cheap. The next step in the structure building is side panels. The product name is LAC and you need 2 of these. So the length of this longest panel is around 6 feet and you get these 7 rectangle shaped blocks. You also get some hardware to mount these panels on the wall, and I highly recommend to secure the panels using these brackets and screws. We only use 4 of these rectangle plates on this panel, but you can go with your own combination. And the final structure looks like this. You're not seeing in this video clip, but we mounted one more plate on the top of this panel. And that is to support the top layer of this structure. And here are 2 side panels after the assembly. And at the end, you're going to mount this LAC wall shelf on the top of the structure as shown here. So the overall height of this structure is 7 feet and the width is 4 feet. Earlier in the video, I was talking about the quality of this product. You can see after the assembly, the drawer slides really smooth. So there are no any alignment or stability issues after the assembly. Not only the product quality is good, but there is plenty of space to accommodate all the things needed for the Pooja room. Now here onwards, everything is custom. You can go as per your needs. I started with these brass bells which I got on Amazon. You can find the link in the description. Now earlier I did not mention about this centerpiece, but I used one of the rectangle plates and mounted on the wall with L-shaped shelf brackets. Next, I'm going to use this puck light and mount it on the center of the topmost panel. This light basically needs 3 AA batteries. Now this white color is not going to go with the structure, so I'm going to spray paint it. Now you need to push it and rotate to latch it. To switch it on, you just need to press it at the center. Next, I'm going to run this LED strip around the whole structure. This LED strip is very thin and has a sticky background, which perfectly fits on these wood panels. These lights, they work on remote and they have multiple colors with multiple patterns, so you can go as per your choice. The next in the decoration is the marigold garlands. These are the artificial garlands which I bought from Amazon. Again, the link is in the description. Next on the list is this classic hanging brass lamp. This gives a special look to your puja room. To hang them, you need this J-hook. You can get it in any big box store. I cross-marked this center plate and drilled a hole into it. Push this J-hook all the way through. And then hang this brass lamp. Now you can see These lamps, they give really classy look to the whole structure. The next is establishing Lord Ganesha idol. This is handcrafted wooden idol and it's a custom made. We are really happy with the idol and you can notice precise and detailed work. And there are a few more decorative items and you can really say that we really like elephants. And we are almost done. Here is the final step, putting everything together. And that's pretty much it. We are really happy with the outcome of this project and it was within our budget. I hope you will find this video helpful and thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.